Meaning of infuriating.
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 Infuriating. The word infuriating means causing great frustration, annoyance, or anger in someone. It refers to situations or actions that provoke intense negative emotions and make one feel exasperated or enraged. When something is infuriating, it can create a strong desire to retaliate, react impulsively, or lash out. These feelings can be accompanied by physical symptoms such as increased heart rate, sweating, or tense muscles. Infuriating situations can also lead to long-lasting negative moods and result in damaged relationships or missed opportunities. Overall, infuriating describes a highly unpleasant and undesirable experience that can have significant emotional and practical consequences.